Pantophobia is a free home haunt up here just on the east side of Indianapolis. Every year they change up the theme and do something different. This year it looks like they are doing some cannibalistic hillbilly type of stuff. We're not real sure, we just know we heard chainsaws. They've got this big old facade out here in front of the house. I believe they do have an optional touch pass that you can pay to upgrade for. Other than that, they do take donations. Without further ado, let's see if we can get in here and get some scares. Oh God, we're up there. We're up there. Nora's over there too.
Lindsay's not up there yet. That means she's...
We're a very proud, loving family here. We get hungry very easily, and we'll do anything it takes to get our meat. So I would advise to move in swiftly and quickly.
Oh, okay.
If Mama gets you sitting down, all kinds of hell gonna break loose.
Don't sit down.
So my brother Charlie, he's like the family butcher. It's a whole thing. He's got like a pig head on. You know, see him. He's in the barn. He's all pissed off about something today. We don't know what's going on.
He's always mad.
Yeah, he's always mad about something, but we don't know what it is. I would just advise, maybe don't go in the barn. Just better for everybody all the way around.
Okay.
Don't go in the barn.
Because if you go in there, I mean, I'm not responsible for his actions. Let's just say that much.
Oh, okay.
All right, fantastic. You folks about ready?
I think so.
Yeah, Lindsay's gonna go first.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Otis.
Otis.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, there's a chicken. Ooh.
I like my collection.
I do.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Grandpa.
Myself.
He's got 3 eyes.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess.
Hello there. You got in there. What is that? Oh, no. That's not necessary.
Oh, no. No. She's bloody.
Okay, I think it's blood.
Oh, she got goopy stuff.
I think it's blood. Ooh. Oh, that's no.
Don't eat it.
Ew, that's gross. Look at all the pumpkins up there. Oh, yeah. Beware the scarecrow.
The scarecrow in the barn.
Oh.
Prepping food.
That's probably no. We just stand here.
Yeah.
Sorry about them licky shillings. Hold on. This whole house fell apart, I swear.
Oh, there we go. That'll fix that.
There's a little extra on that plate.
I made pie and everything.
That's good. It looks wonderful.
Oh,
Y'all like fish meat?
Delicious.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
meat pie.
It's real good. Y'all want to try some?
It don't look like it's done.
Well, I assure you it is.
Oh.
You got some fingers. Well,
Fingers? Some
chicken fingers.
Finger fingers? Those are
Chicken.
not chicken fingers.
They are, I promise. Lots of ketchup.
Oh,
Homemade
that's
ketchup.
what it is.
It's real good.
oh, that's the ketchup she had in that pumpkin back there.
Oh.
Y'all don't want none?
We don't like it
we're
rare.
All right, what about some of this? This is my personal favorite.
Oh, she's getting ahead of the competition there. Oh,
Just stick your straw in there and take a nice little
straw?
sip. Stick your straw and take a nice little sip.
Oh.
What, y'all don't like my cooking?
We're not much on
We're
rare.
vegetarians.
Is
Well,
that
this don't got no meat in it.
Well, I guess that's true.
This one looks like it has meat in it.
That one had a little more meat, but it's not all meat. Y'all can try the ketchup if you like.
No.
Is it vegan?
That's
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Oh, okay. Well,
these are grandma's recipes.
we might take some to go.
Y'all want to take some to go?
Yeah, I'll take
Alright,
some.
go on.
Okay.
Go on.
Ooh, look at her meat
Cook
tenderizer.
tomorrow night.
Uh oh.
You got some nice cuts. Butcher just cut those up yesterday. Fresh.
They are nice and fresh. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, that's beautiful. That.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh shit.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
Oh, somebody else.
Are y'all ready?
Ready for
Ready?
what?
The head start.
Head start.
Oh God.
Yeah.
We got
10 seconds.
That's
Oh
not
shit,
nearly
Lindsay. We
enough
gotta
of a
go.
head
Lindsay,
start.
we gotta go.
She's warming up.
Oh good God,
We're
she's.
going-
That was only 3.
Oh God. You're not moving fast enough.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, lights are flickering.
Oh.
Oh God. Or wait, are we going in the barn?
I don't know. I know they said not to, but that is a barn, right?
don't think we have a choice.
I think we have to.
Please help me! Please, you have to help me! Please! Please help me! Help me, please! You have to help me! Please, you have to help me, please!
It's okay, just follow us.
Just leave me here!
Just follow us.
Please, you can't leave me here!
Come on with us.
Help me!
I'm so sorry.
Please help me, please!
I don't know how to get you out.
Can't go in there!
They're gonna kill us
Please
too.
help me!
We can't help you if we're dead too.
Lord.
Help me!
Wow, that was all nasty.
Help me!
Oh my.
Oh,
Oh God. There's the pink guy.
oh my goodness. Oh, that thing plugged in. No, we didn't. No, the cameraman. Go for that one.
I'm gonna pass.
That way.
Oh God.
Was
Might
bad.
need number.
And back outside. All the hanging stuff.
Does again.
Something really weird. Uh-oh. Was it a monster? Something? Okay. Oh, the scarecrow. Was it a scarecrow? We're talking about scarecrows. Did Mama hook you up with that? Ooh. Oh, you did? That's not good. He made that necklace all by himself.
Oh, did he?
Lord.
Oh,
Did you show him your necklace?
I'm-
Ew.
that's a wonderful necklace. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell some people about that.
Oh, yeah,
God.
see? Don't
Beware
trust
the
it.
scarecrow.
Ooh, pumpkin patch.
Oh my.
Ooh, gosh. Oh, there's all kinds of pumpkins out here.
We got
Folks
a pumpkin
actually
patch.
made it out of there?
We did.
Maybe.
Maybe.
My brother ain't done his job.
Uh-oh.
If it's done right, you gotta do it yourself.
Oh
Oh,
God.
no.
Leave the waterfall!
That's awesome. Yeah. I like him up there.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh, he's getting down now. That was good.
That was really good.
Folks.
Hey, thanks for
Thank
having
you for
us.
showing us the Waterfall farm here.
Maybe next time you won't be so lucky.
All right.
That guy in the barn does need help. You're right.
He does. He's a little messed up in the head. You know
He
what I mean?
was.
Yeah. Thank you, Otis.
All right, guys, well, that was Pantophobia up here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Let us know what you thought. Awesome little home hunt up here just on the east side. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. Now, since this is a free haunt, we don't do reviews on these. So if you want to show your support, definitely come out here and see them. Share this video too, that helps gets the word out. But if you want to see the reviews of all the other haunts we go to, you can check that out on thescarefactor.com. We're going to head on off to the next one. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.